Welcome! Today I am with Kia Sportage and I'll show you how you can reset all settings to the factory default. So you have to go for the settings, next you have to scroll like that and find the system information. When you are here we have to go for the default and tap another time on the default, and as you can see here we got the notification that the system will be reset to the default values and all stored data and settings will be lost. Of course we want to make it, so we have to click yes. Now we have to wait, and as you can hear, everything was removed to the default settings. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.